Hi, thank you for your interest in the secure PC application developed by X-Securitas. In this video, I will explain how to create and use an encrypted secure drive. Let's create a secure drive first. Click the Create button at the top. You will now be presented with a window to enter the secure drive name and password for read, write, and read-only passwords. Each option is explained later. Secure drives are managed internally as files. Select the drive where you want to save this file. You must specify the maximum capacity of the secure drive. The maximum value is 32 gigabytes. Now creating a secure drive. Please wait a moment. A secure drive was successfully created and mapped to drive F. In Explorer, there's a secure drive, and the volume name is the name of the secure drive. Now this secure drive works the same as a regular drive. Keep your valuable information on your secure drive, including your bank details. Let's close the secure drive. It's simple. Select the secure drive and click the Close button at the top. You may also notice that the secure drive has disappeared from the Explorer. Now, let's open the secure drive you created. Select the secure drive to open from the list and click the Open button at the top. You will now be presented with a window asking you to select the drive letter to be mapped and the password. To map the secure drive to the drive letter you want, click on Set Drive Letter and select the drive letter. If not, select Automatic. If you want to read or write in the secure drive, enter the password for reading and writing. To open as read-only, enter your read-only password. In the example, enter a read and write password. The secure drive is now open as drive F. You can also create and delete files on a secure drive, just like a regular drive. Documents within a secure drive can also be opened like a normal drive. Now click the Close button to close the secure drive. Let's open the secure drive that we just worked on as read-only. Enter a read-only password and try to open the secure drive. The secure drive is now open as drive F. I attempted to copy a file to a secure drive, but the copy operation failed because this drive is read-only. Of course, you cannot delete or rename files on read-only drives. Only document viewing is possible. You can create multiple secure drives, and you can have multiple secure drives open at the same time. An open secure drive has a drive letter in the In Use column. In the figure, the secure drives are opened as drives G and F, respectively. Let's close one secure drive. Closed secure drive will be blank in the In Use column. This is important. After saving your valuable data to a secure drive, would you like to send it safely to someone else? And can someone else only open the secure drive with read-only, so that the files in the secure drive remain unchanged? It's simple. You can use the export and import functions. First, select the secure drive you want to export. The actual size of the secure drive file is not the size of the secure drive you specified, but the size you used so far. This is shown in the Used Size column. Select the secure drive and click the Export button at the top. Now, select the folder location where you want to save the selected secure drive. The secure drive is now exported to the file in the location you specified. You can now forward this file to someone else via email, USB drive, and so on. Of course, you also need to give your password. Do you want someone to open a secure drive for read-only use? If so, please only provide a read-only password. This computer is assumed to be the recipient computer. Of course, the recipient PC must have the Secure PC product installed. I will explain how the recipient will import the file you received. First, click the Import button at the top. Then, select the secure drive file you sent. Now enter the name of the secure drive. It does not have to be the same as your secure drive name. While importing it, do not enter a password, but use the password you originally created. Select the drive location where the secure drive file will be stored. Import is now complete. The list of secure drive includes what the recipient has just imported. The recipient can now open the secure drive. How is it? With this method, you can transfer your valuable files more safely than with a USB drive. You can also change the name of your secure drive by clicking on the Rename button at the top. You can also delete the currently selected secure drive by clicking the Delete button at the top. If you are using a secure drive and you exit the main program, the secure drive will also close. How is it? Secure drives allow you to manage your files more securely than USB drives, and this secure drive can also be transferred to other people. Save your valuables, such as your wallet, on your secure drive. Thanks you for watching.